You step outside one quiet night, and something feels wrong. You look up. No moon, not a trace. The sky is darker than you've ever seen, and the world feels strangely off. What just happened to our moon? And what's about to happen to us? Would Earth panic? Would tides go wild? Or would we just need brighter flashlights? Let's find out what would actually happen if the moon disappeared overnight. First, some context. The moon isn't just a decoration hanging in our sky. It's Earth's loyal partner in crime, formed billions of years ago, probably from a massive collision that sent debris swirling into orbit. That debris eventually became our moon. Now, the moon affects a lot more than your Instagram moonrise photos. It keeps Earth stable, controls the tides, and even influences how long our days are. So if it suddenly vanished tonight, poof, you might want to sit down for what comes next. The first thing we'd notice? Darkness. A full moon is bright enough to cast shadows, and without it, our nights would be nearly 400,000 times darker. Animals that depend on moonlight, like owls, wolves, and sea turtles, would be seriously confused. Wolves would howl at nothing, sea turtles might get lost, and humans might just blame a power outage. Stars would look clearer though, so hey, at least astronomers would be thrilled. But here's where things get messy, literally. The moon's gravity pulls on Earth's oceans, creating the tides. Without it, the sun would still cause tiny tides, but they'd be only about 1/3 as strong. That means no more dramatic high and low tides, just small, lazy ripples. Coastal ecosystems that depend on strong tides, like coral reefs, mangroves, and tidal flats, would struggle or even collapse. And many species that time their life cycles with the tides, like crabs and fish, would be thrown completely off schedule. If you live near the beach, the ocean might seem calmer, but nature would be quietly freaking out. Now let's talk about something far scarier, Earth's tilt. Right now, the moon's gravity keeps our planet's axis tilted at a steady 23.5 degrees. That tilt is why we have seasons. And the moon acts like a stabilizing hand, keeping Earth from wobbling too much. Without it, Earth would start to wobble like a spinning top about to fall over. Our tilt could shift wildly, from 0 to 85 degrees over millions of years. In some periods, we might have almost no seasons at all. In others, extreme seasons. Imagine the Arctic roasting at 100 degrees Fahrenheit while the tropics freeze solid. Basically, the weather forecast would become pure chaos. Here's a fun fact. The moon is slowly stealing Earth's energy. It's been slowing down our planet's rotation by a tiny bit every year, making our days longer by about 1.4 milliseconds per century. Without the moon, that braking system disappears. Earth's spin would eventually stabilize, but days would stay around 24 hours forever. That might sound fine, until you realize that without the moon's tidal friction, ocean currents would weaken, affecting climate and global heat distribution. So yes, your local weather would get weirder. Humans might survive this, but animals wouldn't adapt easily. Many species evolved to move, hunt, or breed according to lunar cycles. Without those cues, everything from coral spawning to bird migrations would go haywire. It's like deleting nature's calendar app overnight. And as ecosystems crumble, food chains could collapse, leading to a slow-motion global ecological crisis. But here's the biggest surprise. The moon also protects us. Its gravity helps stabilize Earth's orbit around the sun. Without it, small gravitational nudges from other planets, especially Jupiter, could start messing with our orbit over millions of years. That means in the distant future, Earth could drift into extreme cold or spiral toward the sun. So yeah, the moon isn't just pretty, it's basically Earth's seatbelt. If the moon vanished overnight, Earth wouldn't explode or instantly freeze. But the slow unraveling of everything we know, climate, tides, wildlife, even the length of our days, would turn our planet into something barely recognizable. It might take thousands or millions of years, but life on Earth would never be the same again. So next time you look up at that glowing white circle, remember, it's not just decoration. It's quietly keeping your planet balanced, your oceans moving, and your seasons sane. If this cosmic what if blew your mind, hit that subscribe button and share it with a friend who loves wild science twists as much as you do. Don't forget, this is the Nexus Point, where curiosity meets cosmic adventures. Because here on the Nexus Point, we don't just look up, we imagine what happens when the sky itself decides to change.